Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to explore one of the most significant upgrades in blockchain technology, and that's Ethereum 2.0. By the end of the lesson, you'll understand what Ethereum 2.0 is and why it's important, the major changes it introduces, including proof of stake, sharding, and staking, how these upgrades benefit users, developers, and the environment. Ethereum 2.0 is a game changer designed to make the Ethereum network faster, more efficient, and ready for the future. So let's dive in. Ethereum 2.0 or ETH 2.0 is a major upgrade to the Ethereum network. Let's break it down simply. Think of Ethereum 1.0 as a really busy highway. As more cars or transactions, so to speak, use it, traffic builds up, causing delays and higher costs. Ethereum 2.0 is like building a multi-lane superhighway to handle more cars smoothly and efficiently. Here's why Ethereum needed an upgrade. The first was around scalability issues. Ethereum 1.0 can only handle a limited number of transactions per second. This leads to congestion during high demand. The second is around energy consumption. Ethereum uses proof of work, which requires a lot of electricity. This has raised concerns about its environmental impact. And the third point is around rising gas fees. More users mean more competition for block space, which drives up the transaction costs. Ethereum 2.0 solved these issues by introducing new technologies and methods. The developers behind Ethereum 2.0 focused on three main goals. The first was scalability, increase the network's capacity to handle thousands of transactions per second. The second was sustainability, so reduce Ethereum's energy consumption, making it more environmentally friendly. And the third was security, strengthen the network's defenses against attacks, ensuring it remains reliable and safe for all users. These improvements will help Ethereum grow to support millions of users worldwide. Ethereum 2.0 introduces three game-changing features. The first is proof of stake, or POS. This replaces the energy-intensive proof of work system that we spoke about in an earlier system when we spoke about Bitcoin mining. And if you remember, proof of work is essentially miners or people with supercomputers solving a puzzle, a really complex puzzle, which allows them to add a block to the blockchain. And so this proof of stake makes Ethereum greener and more secure. The second point is around this concept of sharding. So this breaks the blockchain into smaller pieces or shards to process more transactions simultaneously. And the third point is around staking. This allows users to lock up their Ether to help secure the network and earn rewards. These upgrades make Ethereum more efficient, scalable, and sustainable. So now you might be wondering, what is proof of stake? So proof of stake, or POS, is a new way to validate transactions on the Ethereum network. Here's how it works. In the old system, proof of work, miners used powerful computers to solve puzzles and validate transactions. This process required massive amounts of electricity. In proof of stake, validators are selected to confirm transactions based on how much Ether they lock up or their stake. There are a couple benefits of proof of stake. The first is energy efficiency. This reduces Ethereum's energy use by over 99%. The second is around accessibility. More people can participate since expensive mining equipment or supercomputers aren't required anymore. And the third is around security. It makes it much harder for attackers to disrupt the network. Staking is a key part of Ethereum 2.0. Here's what happens. The first step is locking up Ether. Validators must deposit at least 32 Ether to join the staking process. The second step is validating the transaction. The network randomly selects validators to confirm transactions and create new blocks. And the third step is earning rewards. Validators earn rewards in Ether for their contributions to the network. Think of staking as earning interest on your savings while helping secure the Ethereum network. So, sharding is Ethereum's solution to scalability. Here's how it works. In Ethereum 1.0, all transactions go through one blockchain, like traffic on a single highway. Sharding splits the blockchain into smaller pieces called shards. Each shard processes its own transactions, like multiple highways working together. Why does sharding matter, you might think? The first point is it reduces congestion. Shards handle transactions in parallel, preventing traffic jams. The second point is that it increases speed, so the network can process thousands of transactions per second. And the third point is that it lowers costs. There's more capacity, which leads to lower gas fees for users. So, high gas fees were one of the biggest issues with Ethereum 1.0. Ethereum 2.0 addresses this by A, improving capacity. So, sharding allows the network to handle more transactions simultaneously. And the second point is around increasing efficiency. Proof of stake reduces competition for block space, which lowers fees. And so the result is users can interact with dApps, send Ether, and run smart contracts at much lower costs. Ethereum 2.0 is designed to be eco-friendly. Here's the difference. In proof of work, miners needed massive computing power and electricity to validate transactions. In proof of stake, validators don't require energy-intensive hardware. And there are a couple key benefits to this. First, Ethereum's energy use drops by over 99%. Then the network becomes more sustainable and environmentally friendly, and it addresses concerns about blockchain's environmental impact. With proof of stake replacing mining, miners face new choices. First, become validators. Miners can stake their Ether to validate transactions and earn rewards. And the second is switching to other blockchains. Miners can work on blockchains that still use proof of work, like Bitcoin. This transition reduces Ethereum's energy use while maintaining security. And on the other side, on the user side, Ethereum 2.0 brings several improvements for users. The first is around faster transactions. Sharding allows the network to process thousands of transactions per second. The second point is around lower gas fees. Reduced congestion means cheaper transactions. The third point is around eco-friendly networks. So proof of stake drastically reduces energy consumption. And then finally, the point on staking rewards. Users can stake their Ether and earn passive income while securing the network through the process of staking. While Ethereum 2.0 is a huge improvement, it's not without challenges. The first is around technical complexity. Transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake is a massive engineering task. Then there's the point around adoption. Developers and users need time to adapt to the new system. And then there's the issue around potential bugs. As with any new technology, bugs or vulnerabilities could arise. Despite these challenges, Ethereum 2.0 is a major leap forward for blockchain technology. So, to sum up, Ethereum 2.0 solves key issues like scalability, energy use, and high fees. Key features like proof of stake and sharding make the network faster, greener, and more efficient. It's a crucial upgrade that prepares Ethereum for global adoption and future innovation.